was put on in the late fall, and it's probably been 3 years. The history is that we had a cedar shake roof. We were happy with the cedar shake roof, however, it was beginning to disintegrate somewhat, and it gathered a lot of materials. We were having trees and plants grow out of it in the valleys, etc. And we knew the end was coming for that roof. It was very serviceable, but cedar shake roofs they take a lot of maintenance, and we were looking for something that was different and wouldn't require all that maintenance.
We did look at another company and found that they did a few metal roofs, not a lot, and we decided we did not want to go with them for that reason. We wanted to go with someone that was an expert, and that's all they did was metal roofs.
That's right. And also, quite honestly, we looked on the internet for two reasons. Number one, to find somebody, and secondly, to learn as much as we could about metal roofs. It's hard to describe, but it's sort of a spectacular looking roof.
It complements the brick rather than a standout. It was the right choice. One thing that I really like is the sound when it's raining. I love the sound, and I wasn't so sure, and Frank said we probably wouldn't notice a difference. But I have very sensitive hearing. I think I do notice, and I love the sound when it's raining on this roof.